Hey guys, hello everyone. What about today? Is the day is not fine? Come on, let's make it so fine by learning kinds of sentences. In today's session, we are going to learn two kinds of sentences. One is interrogative sentence and the other one is exclamatory sentence. Then why are we wasting time? Shall we get into the session? Come on, let's get into the session. In kinds of sentences part 1, we have seen what is a sentence, what is an assertive sentence and what is imperative sentence. Let me give a small glance about it. A sentence is a group or collection of words that makes a complete meaning. That is called as a sentence. What is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is a simple statement. All the simple statements are called as assertive sentence. And what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is an order, a request, command or advice that is expressed in a sentence. When these things are expressed in a sentence, it is called as imperative sentence. Okay, today's topic is interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. All the WH questions and all the yes or no questions and also the be form verbs which are used in questions are also used as in sentences that to form a interrogative sentence. What are all the be form words? What are all the be form words? Be form words are is, am, are, and all the past of these words. What are all the past of these words? Was and were. These are the be form verbs. So there is a key in this interrogative sentence. All the interrogative sentences, that is all the question type sentences will end. That will end with a question mark. That will end with a question mark. If you doesn't put this question mark, then you cannot say that as an interrogative sentence. So a question mark is so important in an interrogative sentence. Shall we see an example for this? Okay, we'll see one example. The most common question all people will ask is, what is your name? This is an interrogative sentence. What is your name? It is an interrogative sentence. As we have seen, all the sentences will start with a capital letter and this interrogative sentence will end with a question mark. This is so important. In interrogative sentences there should be a question mark and this is a must. Okay, then another question, what shall we say? Do you like sunflower? So this is a type of interrogative sentence. And where are we seeing a WH question here? No. Do, it starts with do. So it is a yes or no question. If somebody asks you, do you like sunflower, what you will say? You will say only yes or no. So this type of questions are called as yes or no question and it is an interrogative sentence. Shall we move to the next sentence? The next sentence we are going to see is exclamatory sentence. The exclamatory sentence is used to express strong feelings or emotion. We can say what is strong feeling or emotion. We can say sorrow, joy, and surprise, wonder. These are all emotions or strong feelings. So these are all used to express an exclamatory sentence. If these kinds of expressions are in a sentence, then that sentence is called as an exclamatory sentence. There are two keys in this exclamatory sentence. This exclamatory sentence will always have an exclamation mark. It will always have an exclamation mark. That is, this mark will always be present in this exclamatory sentence. All the exclamatory sentences will have this exclamation mark. And the other thing, it will have the keywords oh, alas, hooray, bravo. All these words will be present in an exclamatory sentence, and it will always have an exclamation mark. Shall we see an example for this? Yeah. Come on, let's see a different example. How beautiful are you? Now, in this sentence, we have not seen any of these words. But how could we say this sentence as an exclamatory sentence? It is expressing a feeling or it is expressing an emotion, and it also has an exclamation mark at the end. So this sentence is called as an exclamatory sentence. As how is present here, you should not say it as a interrogative sentence. For an interrogative sentence, it should always have a question mark, but we are not having here a question mark. Instead, we are having an exclamatory mark. That is an exclamatory mark. So it is called as an exclamatory sentence. Another example for this. Oh, what a beautiful flower. Here we doesn't have the exclamation mark at the end, but we are having near the word oh. So it is an exclamatory sentence, and as what is present here, you should not say it as an interrogative sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. Are you clear about the two sentences? I hope you all understood my session and it was so useful. I'll put some questions at the end of the session and try to answer those questions in the comment section if you understood my session. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications as I upload my videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.